turtle. Pangalan na namog Don. From the root word Don. Guys. Turtle. Lord, cute sa turtle. Ano ka na ko sa turtle, Lord?
Masa ka yung forehead mo?
Turn around. Ah, masuka lang. Yung ginagawa nyo? Huh? Doon sa turtle, be?
Okay, you have to hit me so that you can go there. Okay. No, you have to hit me.
Hit me.
So that you can go there. No, not you. 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 Hey, you. I'll get you.
Ay, kay muning pa next vlog ni Pian.
Okay. This is so weak. I can stand. I got to keep you.
Hi Kenji, kamusta tatay? What can you say about the current situation of our class? What else can I do? Hindi mo maingon na mo sa ato ang katungkulasan. Ah! Yeah, what can you say, Peme? Can you do the vlog?
This is the vlog about we're playing together. Kwang kwang kwang. Come on, you have to go. Hey, you have to go because I'm gonna get you. I hit you.
Pem, pag-water sa Pem, be? Pem, water sa ba? Pem, pag-water sa Pem.
Oh, nawala! Nawala!
Wala.
Stop, Kenji!
Pem, pag-water sa Pem. Yan.
Hi guys! Today we're... Do you know what this... Oh,
Lagi likes ba?
yeah, mommy said good luck. Yeah, good luck, good luck. Hi guys! Do you know what this was? It's my mom's family! Have a new pet dog. Come here outside.
Oh, keeper.
We have to get our slipper. We have to get our slipper. This is my slipper. Ato to sa canine.
Oh, there's a dog.
Here's the dog.
No. I'm gonna turn one.
Let's go to the other dog. What? What is the big dog? Is that yours? Yes, it's ours. I can see.
Not cute. Actually, she is not cute. Asa Pen? Asa? Like that, like that. Asa Pen? Asa Pen? Okay, Pian. Turn around. Look at the dog. It's so big, Pian ba?
Why you gonna let that out? Why you gonna let that out? It barks all the time.
What can you say, Pian? What can you say about the dog?
Yay.
Yeah. What does it look like?
Why do you like the dog? It's so big. Go, more.
Kulbaan. So big.
Wanna touch
Do you know what's his name?
What? Easy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Don't touch it. You'll bite your hand. Oh, mandun mo.
Nagkita namin ganina. Hey dog, welcome to our vlog.
Yung ganun, dito magtuyok-tuyok. Easy.
Eh, wala sa birthday bita ni mama.
Ano?
Ha?
Basta siya.
Wow.
Okay, that's all.
Bye!
For today's video. So guys, then we have a new dog. Oh my god, the dog is so annoying. I think he's so. I think he always say hello.
Help daw. Help, help, help.
Look at him.
Eh, Rego, kaya, sumabak na.
Oh my god.
Ayaw, makita sa vlog, ayaw. Pag-vlog. Pag-vlog. Yeah, vlog take over. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Dapat mag-vlog ka doon. Vlog. Galing. Galing. Oh, yeah.
Partnership.
Ha?
Partnership.
Ay, makatip. Mag-utsap ka lang. Ah, okay. Uy.
Wow.
Bye.
Mama na. Wala part.
Kaya yun naman itong vlog. Rolling up yan.
This is race.
There you go. How do you say it?
This is race vlog.
May labay dahil yan. Wow.
What is this? What?
That's yan.
That's say it again.
Who bought that one?
Whoa.
Sayang, kung wala lang yung kutsada. Lumay ko. Mga